In this video we will show you how to update your central station when it is connected to the internet. First you click on Setup and then you go ahead and click on Information on the bottom of the screen. It will show you the firmware version of your central station, in this case 3.27. Now you go again to the bottom and you click on Version on the right bottom, and there you can see what software version you have, in this case 4.1.0. To update this, it's actually the easiest to go ahead and click on CS2 and then click on Update. You can do it by USB stick, but we'll do it by network. That's far easier. Now if you have no internet cable hooked up to your central station, this is what you will see. So go ahead and move your central station to a place close to your router or wherever you have an internet cable, and hook the internet up to the back of the central station. Then we do the same thing again. We go to Update and to Network. And this is what you will see. It'll say that it is retrieving the update information, and you should see the progress bar on the bottom of the screen. Now both on the left and the right side of the screen you'll see a lot of computer gibberish show up, and then it'll say Success. When it says Success you can hit Start, and it will start to go ahead and update your central station. We can't say exactly how long the update will take. It depends on several items. Of course it depends on the speed of your internet, it depends on how large the update is, and it depends on how many updates your central station actually needs. When you have not done an update for quite a while and there are several updates available, the central station will attempt to do the earliest update first and work its way through all the numbers. If you have not done an update for a long time and your central station has a version earlier than 3.6, it is actually necessary to restart the central station and do an additional update. With that I mean the central station can update itself through many of the versions to about 3.6, but then it will think it is done with the updates. All you simply have to do is restart your central station and start the update sequence again, and it will happily start from 3.6 and get you all the way up to the most current version. Alright, we jumped ahead a couple of minutes in the updating process. And as you can tell on the left bottom of your screen, it'll still say Updating Decoder. And in this particular update, it's going to require you to push the More button on the right bottom corner. As you can see now the message on the left bottom changed. It now says, to update the remaining packets, CS2 must be stopped. And you do this by hitting the More button on the right bottom of your screen. I click it here and the central station will continue the update. You'll see a computer language showing up in the white box on your screen. And on the bottom you see a progress bar. Right now it's still white, but then as the update progresses it'll start to become green. You can see it here, it starts to become green. Once the update is complete, you see the progress bar on the bottom is completely green, and the central station will go back to your regular screen. Now all you have to do is check the current version. So for that we click on Setup, and again go to the bottom, Version, and now you can see we have software version 4.1.23, which at this point is the most current version. And back to Control, and you're all set.